Hi, I'm Julia, and basically what I'm going to be talking about in this video is what was the justification and what were the ethics for the doctors that performed the cruel medical research and experiment in the Holocaust. First off, I want to start with an article that I found. It's called Lectures on Inhumanity, Teaching Medical Ethics to German Medical Schools. First off, in 1939, there came about a course that was brought up to be mandatory in the German medical curriculum. It was taught by Nazi doctors that performed these cruel experiments on prisoners and professors that were part of the Nazi political party. It taught the Nazis' version of medical ethics, which was the eternal values of people that believed in the Nazi political party. Basically, it taught that whatever you believed in determined how your medical treatment would go. The doctors completely disregarded moral and medical principles. In an article on the ethics of using data from Nazi experiments, it showed that the Nazis believed that patients who were murdered and tortured was due to, in quotations, research. In the same article, it says that the experiments were put into 3 categories, whether it was medico-military research, miscellaneous, which had nothing to do with the Holocaust. It was basically a doctor getting curious about a topic and having the advantage and being able to do their research on it. And 3, racially motivated research, which was practically anybody that wasn't white was put into this category. And in a blog, it's called Nazi Medical Experiments, it says that many of the prisoners that were put into these experiments were not meant to live. If they survived the experiment, they were then put through the concentration camps again and passed away there. Now, there is one survivor that I have found a video on, and it was a twin that was put through medical experiments with her other twin, and I'll link that down below. But basically, it shows that the doctors basically got their justification from their professors and whoever taught them and brought them into medicine. These courses that were mandatory in the medical curriculum for Germany put it into the medical students' heads that it was okay to perform these completely horrifying experiments on people. And some of them, yes, have helped us, but some of them were just plain out and it could have been done another way. The prisoners did not have any choice whatsoever whether it was to be in an experiment or not, and what experiment they could be in. It was based off of their race, their religious beliefs, their political beliefs. If they had a disease, they had any disabilities, and even twins and triplets were put through these trials because they were seen as evil. So throughout the Holocaust, many people were killed, whether it be in the concentration camps or in a lab being put through horrifying experiments. I will link my research down below. It will have the articles and blogs that I used with this video, and also the video that I suggested. So, yeah, have a nice day.